The pharmacy technician program is a 2-year diploma accredited program here at Humber College. Students have the opportunity to work both in lab and in the classroom with their peers and with instructors and professors.
The thing that I really like about the program is that it's not just theoretical, but it gives you a hands-on experience and gives you the practical skills that you need.
Pharmacy technician program here is very hands-on, especially with the lab aspects. I believe that everything that we do in the lab is something we'd be doing in an actual workplace.
So majority of the jobs out there for pharmacy technicians will probably be in the community and hospital pharmacies, but there is other opportunities there. There's more specialized jobs such as compounding and long-term care. They also have opportunities to go into industry.
I feel like the faculty members do have a lot of experience because all of them are working in either hospital or community pharmacies, and they bring in their own experiences into our classroom.
Typically, students who have strong math skills, strong communication skills, and who are very detail-oriented tend to do very well in our program. The program is really designed for people who want to help others and work in the healthcare field, but who are also very focused on accuracy and math skills at the same time.
We have flexibility with online courses, with in-person labs.
Technology that is used in the real world setting, we have the access to that. We have access to different softwares like Kroll, or we have our learning resources like CPS, RxTX.
Injection training here at Humber is something that we started recently. We are the first program to implement it in Ontario into our curriculum, and students get the opportunity to administer and learn how to administer both a subcutaneous and an intramuscular injection. And once they graduate and become registered as technicians, they have this as a certificate, and so they're able to administer vaccines to the public.
Humber has made injection training part of their program, and I was able to be part of that. It's making a big difference in my resume. The 4th semester you get to go for your placements, so you have 5 weeks of community placement and then 5 weeks of hospital placement.
Currently, there is a shortage of pharmacy technicians out there in both hospital and community pharmacy settings. So this is a perfect time for anyone who is interested in becoming a pharmacy technician to sign up and to enroll in our program.
The program definitely prepares us for the industry. To be honest, I already got a job, and that's thanks to our faculty members.
If you want a career that combines your love for science, compassion for others, and desire to make a difference, then visit our website to learn more about the pharmacy technician program at Humber College.